Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will introduce you a software that auto live bot on Twitter. So here is my software I currently using. So first, I have account management function. So this software will help you to add and manage a limited Twitter account. So here you can see I have many accounts here. So I can choose the account I want and choose login, and the software will log in multiple accounts in the same time. Okay, so here you can see the software auto open browser like this, and we also log into the account that I choose. So in each browser, you can zoom in like this and use this. So it's just like a normal browser. So you can use this account to go auto action, like auto post, auto line, comment that you want. So that's how I manage multiple Twitter account with my software. So to auto live bot on the Twitter, I will go to viral marketing. So here you can see I have many options like this, many function like post tweets, auto community, reply comment, and sitting tweet. So I will choose this function. This function sitting is mean to auto lie or to comment to the any post that you want. So I will set up the basic configuration first. First is the number of threads. Number of threads is mean number of account running in the same time. I will set a 5 and break interval time between two actions. I will set about 10 to 10 seconds. And next is the number of bots each account will sitting. And here is a place where you will enter the link of the box that you want to sitting. So for example, I have this bot I want to sitting, so I will take this link and enter it in here. So you can choose many options like live post, post comment, or bookmark. So you can add hashtag, and you can enter the hashtag in here. Next, you will enter the type of comment with the string structure like this. Here. And the string structure will be like this. Content 1, content 2, content 3. And the software will choose the random content in this. Okay, and you can repost, it means retweet in here, so you can enter the content with the retweet. Next, I will select the account I want to sitting, and after everything set up, I press start and let the software do the work. So here you can see the software will auto open browser like this and will auto action with the script that I already set up in the software. Okay, so basically I just show you the auto light box Okay, so basically I just show you the auto light box software on Twitter. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need this software or more information, you guys can contact me on my Telegram or WhatsApp, and don't forget to like and subscribe for my channel to see more video about automation software. Thank you so much.